Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order food on the Postmates app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and order food on the Postmates app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So after you've already created an account with Postmates and logged in, this is what your page should look like. On the top left-hand corner, click on your address and enter the address which you want to have delivered to. After you enter the address, this should populate with nearby restaurants and food places that you can order from. So let's take, for example, Stefano's Greek and Mediterranean Grill. When you click onto a restaurant, you can see all the different items that are available to you. So let's pretend to add this chicken shawarma bowl. You can click on the item, then click on Add to Cart, and usually there's going to be a section that's required you to make a selection. So click on Add Garlic, click on Add to Cart, then click on View Cart. So you now see that we have items added to our cart. But let's actually go ahead and remove the chicken kebab plate. Click on Remove, then click on Go to Checkout, then click on Continue. Now this is where you can decide whether you want this order delivered or picked up. But we're going to have it delivered. We're going to choose a standard delivery time. You're going to make sure that there's any promotions that you can select and use. Afterwards, click on Next and place your order. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and order food from the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.